I think for a lot of the lawyers who watch this, who want to follow in your footsteps and really deal with these trying cases, right? Um, that it's difficult to know, I mean, without your level of experience, how to sort of communicate or provide comfort or like what sort of tone or approach they should take with somebody who's been dealing with a significant loss or an injury. Um, so is there anything you did to get better at that part of the job, or is there any sort of wisdom that you have for somebody who's trying to get into this type of work?
Continue reading, continue investing in yourself, read as many books on the topic that you can, and understand what it is that drives people's decision-making processes. And uh, that's really, I know, a broad answer, but I'll give you a more succinct answer. Be empathetic. Put yourself in their shoes. And that's what I try to do every single time. That if I was the client in this situation, what would I want to hear? And what I would always want to hear is, what is the future if I decide A or decide B? Because it's really a binary choice for clients. And I try to make it a binary choice. It's either we continue moving forward, or I resolve the case. And if we continue moving forward, what does that look like? What does that really mean? What do I have to go through emotionally to see this through? And if I resolve this, what are the uh, unfinished emotions I may have to deal with? And am I okay with that? So it's really trying to explain that binary choice, and the road that the binary choice with the selection of one of those choices takes you down. And I think that if an attorney can do that effectively, then a client is greatly appreciative. And I really don't take ownership of the client's decision. They often want me to, but it's not my decision to make. They have to make that decision on their own. Sometimes they don't feel competent to do so. But that if they don't feel competent to do so, I think that is a reflection on the attorney and not the client. You have to work a little bit harder so that they feel competent to make an informed, educated decision. And if you've done that, then they have to own the decision. And then there's nothing and no one that they can blame if the outcome isn't what they had hoped. And equally as so, if the outcome is exactly what they had hoped, then they can take all the credit too. We're simply a vehicle to allow that to happen.